How to download content from AI Sonic. If you have been using the AI Sonic application and wondering on how to download content on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the AI Sonic application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to download content, you need to simply create one first, and after creating, tap on to record right here at the bottom. Select it, then here you can find the contents that you have created. Now to download it, simply tap on to one just like this. Now here you can find the arrow button at the top, just right here. Select it. Then here you can find save to photo just right here. Now tap on it and tap on to allow full access, and you can see it is now saved. And that's it. This is how you can download content from the AI Sonic. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.